Fashion on a budget. Chic looks for less. Hey, my beautiful unicorns. It's your girl Nolan. And let's be real, who doesn't love looking like $1,000,000 without actually spending $1,000,000? We're all about that budget-friendly, fabulous life, right? So if you're tired of your bank account crying every time you shop, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm spilling all the tea on how to slay the fashion game without breaking the bank. Get ready for some serious style hacks, my friends. All right, unicorns, let's talk thrifting. Thrift stores are like magical fashion wonderlands. It's basically where hidden gems go to find new homes, and trust me, you can score some seriously amazing pieces for next to nothing. I once found a designer dress for the price of a latte. And no, it wasn't stained, thank you very much. Some people have all the luck, am I right? Okay, let's be real. Online shopping is life, right? But online sales? That's next level excitement. It's like a sport, people. You gotta be quick, you gotta be strategic, and you gotta have your game face on. Every time I refresh the page during a flash sale, I feel like I'm playing the lottery. Will I win the fashion jackpot this time? Or will I be drowning my sorrows in a pint of ice cream? Chapter 3. DIY or Die. So you're telling me you have a closet full of clothes but still say, I have nothing to wear? Girl, we've all been there. But before you go on a shopping spree, let's talk DIY. With a little creativity and a few stitches, you can transform those old jeans into a trendy new skirt or turn that boring old t-shirt into a crop top worthy of a fashion magazine. Remember, unicorns, even a potato sack can look chic with the right attitude. Chapter 4. Clothing swaps. Fashion's biggest secret. Unicorns. Let's talk about one of the best-kept secrets in the fashion world. Clothing swaps. Gather your most stylish friends, grab your unwanted clothes, and get ready for a night of fashion, fun, and free clothes. It's like a win-win-win situation. You get rid of clothes you don't wear, you get to raid your friends' closets, and you get to feel good about giving your pre-loved items a new home. One person's trash is another person's runway look, am I right? Chapter 5. Off-season shopping, fashion time travel. This one's for my strategic shoppers out there. Off-season shopping, my friends, is where it's at. You see that cozy winter coat on sale in July? Buy it. That bikini you're dreaming of wearing next summer? It's probably 80% off right now. Trust me, buying out of season makes you feel like some kind of fashion psychic. Outro, stay chic, my friends. And that's a wrap, my stylish unicorns. I hope these tips have inspired you to up your fashion game without emptying your wallets. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, having fun, and rocking what you've got. Even if what you've got is a potato sack and a whole lot of confidence. Now go forth and conquer the fashion world, my little budget-savvy babes. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.